Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So basically it's like a nature one, but Teddy, do you want to be in the camera?
No.
Well, me and my friend Teddy are going to be showing you guys our secret base that all three of us built, but Kai's not here right now. You might know him from my other videos, but he's moved house sadly. But he says that he'll come back, so hopefully he will. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, so then you never miss any uploads that I make. It's sort of windy out here.
It is.
It's been raining most of it, but yeah, let's try and hit 100 subscribers in 2 days. That's the goal today. And then tomorrow, if we hit 100 subscribers tomorrow, it'll be 120. That'll be the goal for tomorrow, to try and hit 120 subscribers. So yeah, make sure to quickly subscribe. And also I've made a 5-minute cold bath challenge. It was freezing, so you guys should definitely check that out. It's sort of going viral. Yeah, so I made a cold bath challenge video for 5 minutes. Full on 5 minutes on camera.
That must be cold.
Yeah, first try. Yes, so before I did it once the day before, but I did that first try, but it was left freezing. So then the next day I actually got on camera and I did it for 5 minutes. It was like this high. So pretend that the bath was like, pretend that the bath was here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like near the top of the bath. So yeah, you guys should definitely check that out.
See?
Oh.
Anything different?
So yeah, can you guys guess where our base is? Look, right there.
They've cut all the grass off this bit. Right.
That used to be stingnails right there.
And
Maybe
maybe
we can make another entrance.
Yeah, we could.
Did they cut anywhere in there? Nope. So?
No, but look, it's.
Oh no! Our table is broken. So yep, here's the entrance.
Broken.
There's the buggy that I dumped here.
Really?
Yeah, I dumped that.
Oh.
Because it got broken when we
How?
were going town. So yeah.
That is sad.
Let's go into the base, my dudes. So yeah, if you guys want, you could just place if you really wanna. But make sure that you wear protection, because it's got tons of stinging nettles, and it is nature, and it is bugs. So yeah, like and subscribe, please. I'm not a big fan of bugs, so please. Wait, Teddy,
Oh, yeah.
I think someone chopped down the tree. Someone sort of chopped down the tree here.
Yeah.
Look, someone sort of chopped down the tree.
Oh.
I wonder who did it. Not me, because I haven't been in here in ages, though. So yeah, and look, there's people right now. Whenever there's people, you have to jump. Look.
Yeah. The bush people.
Yeah, we're bush people now. Okay, I'm trying to. Where's my stick? Can I put my stick somewhere? This is new. Someone's definitely been in our base. Probably because it's been raining. Where's my stick? It's missing.
Did you know Kai put that like art up in the trees somewhere?
Yeah, he did. You put it really high up.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Was that but before?
What?
This and that.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm.
But someone's definitely been digging here. So, guess we're going on a scavenger hunt to try and find a stick.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's go.
Maybe we should go in the woods.
Mm. Maybe this might work.
I have a really sharp one at home.
Gonna be in the camera now?
No.
Okay.
I'll be in it a bit later.
Okay. Let's go through the tunnel.
I'll have a think about it.
Oh, there's a bee. It just flew away.
There's a bee.
Why was it scared of us? It just flew away from me.
Because we're big people.
I know. But usually they sting. Someone's been in here. Someone's cut in here. I swear. I swear to God. But I don't swear at God. He swears at God.
No.
He could send you to hell with a click of his...
Remember that rusty pole that Kai threw in here?
Yep. Wait, since he ain't the boss no more, I said that you allowed it. If you really want it.
Yeah, it's just disappeared.
I think I can get it.
Alright, I'll stand over.
You want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Just be careful that you don't turn it on yourself.
Alright, I'll try.
Is this a stick? Yeah, I think this is a stick.
Maybe. Don't know. What was that?
This is the pole.
Is it?
This is the metal pole.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go in and let's go torture some people.
Alright then. Yeah, that's just an old brick that's been sitting there for a while. So.
Wait, what's that? Is that a boot or something?
A boot? Right, let's
No,
see.
that's brick.
Oh.
It's like taking place in here.
Boots
Oh,
and
I
bricks.
got stung. Ouch. Okay, I get stung a lot in here. So yeah.
I don't really, because I am nice to the bees. Alright, I'm coming in again. Ow! I almost just tripped over.
The bell.
That's the bell.
This is how we alert people that we're in here.
Yeah. Just... There we go. That is the chime. And this is the tree that's basically holding the whole entire base up.
Okay, what do you want to destroy here? This?
Well, we do need to clear out the area, don't we?
Oh.
There's a bee.
I don't think I can get rid of nothing in here. Unless... Who's stand it? There's like an underground bunker in there.
Really?
Come here. Look, put the camera. Look what we found. Oh. Maybe if we just clear that out and then we can make that into like a hideout.
Oh yeah, we can. But why don't we move that?
I
Wait,
broke it.
no.
I broke it. Look.
Yeah, because that's an our old one. We should move that up there so we have more like cover.
Look, there's people coming.
Yeah.
We need... Do you think you can lift it?
Yeah, I can lift that.
Okay, I'll get on the camera.
Yeah.
So, yep. So here's our little secret base that we're going to be building. I don't think anyone can see us in here.
Well, this bit needs a bit more cover.
Okay, record, then I'll just get whacking.
I'll stand over here and just wait. I need to move that out. Will that stay? No, it won't, will it? Oh,
Teddy, do you think that guy was a good leader?
Guess so, yeah.
Well,
A bit.
yeah, he's a good leader, but not too good.
Not.
Like, he was bossing us around too much.
Is that... What is she doing? Hiking? She has 2 walking canes right now.
Huh?
I'll try to get a closer view. I can't really use zoom in, but like... Wait, where's...
Don't zoom in.
Right.
Get recording me.
I'll zoom back out. That there. Now that's coming along well. What happened?
Yeah,
Should I just place a camera somewhere?
I think you might fall in, right?
Alright. Or should we like make a phone stand out of wood?
Hopefully I didn't get done from nothing.
Out. What if we like slide under here? Nah, that won't really work actually.
Do you want to get sabotage the pole and try and destroy some stuff?
Yeah, guess so.
Yeah, except for me trying to dig up a bunker.
I'll try break this log net. Well, it's not really working. But
Wait, I think if we both work together, I think we can lift it.
I wish I brought my sharp stick because that'll be like more efficient.
Okay, I'm gonna pull. Okay. I don't know if we can hold you guys there. No, probably not. Probably not a good idea. Ow! Don't
Eek. There you go.
don't hurt me. Ow, my head. Oh, maybe I can use this as a stand.
Yeah. It's not that
I think it might break.
No, just dig something into the ground and then just like.
Here you go. I'll start getting destroyer.
Alright. Oh. What happened?
Because it flings. So yeah, guys, don't forget, if you didn't hear me, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.
Grow and grow.
Yep. And when I'm like rich or off YouTube or something,
Oh.
or maybe when I'm older, I might run for president.
Who knows? You
I could
might.
actually help the world. I could probably stop world hunger.
Mm.
Did you see that move? Well, I just caught it.
Yeah. You are pole master.
Ooh!
That didn't really make sense, I know. I'll try and move this brush. Yeah, that's not working. That'll do fine. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. What? Water just wet on my arm.
You might need to stand back further. Because if all of the YouTubers work together, yeah, they can stop world hunger.
Yeah, and Jay I forgot the name.
What, James Smith or something?
Nah. I forgot what I was gonna say. Wait, never mind. What happened? Maybe next should we do a part 2 or something?
What?
I don't know.
You can record as long as you want.
Oh yeah, we can.
Because it's on normal.
How about we do a ghost video next? I don't know.
Well, I deleted the ghost scanner, but I can always install it again.
I have it on my phone. On my phone.
When did you get a phone?
Oh, I meant my dad's phone. I meant I use it to play games because I don't have one. Well, I will get one at Christmas because I'm 10 now. I guess I'm there, but I will.
Don't you mean that you're 11?
Huh?
You said that you were 11.
When?
Just before Kai left or something. You said, I'm 11, the same age as you.
I'm 10.
Oh.
Oh. Right, let's get back. But we really do need to move this like up. Up,
Wait,
sorry. Wait,
Let go.
Alright.
Oh, look. That's a good start.
Yeah. You can do it.
Hopefully it doesn't collapse.
Come on. You can do it. There's a dog.
Stinging nettles. Do you think you can hold on to this maybe?
Yeah. Don't mind nettles. I'll just I'll try like. Oh jeez. There you go.
This can be the rubbish area.
Guess so. We need to put these up. Like up. I don't know where to put it. Nah, it's not gonna work. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Oh. Whoops.
Maybe I will do a face reveal at 1K likes. Maybe.
They mean 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
On it.
I just wanna shorten it down to 1K. But I will.
Or why not to soon but today?
Yeah, I probably will do that today. I'm being a bit stupid over
Who?
me.
What?
I don't know. That was a very weird question I just said. But
It's sticking to me.
I know.
Oh, I think I'm destroying it.
Why don't you just put that back up so... okay.
What did I just say?
Uh,
Banana. A banana. If you guys know what I'm saying, did I get you or something?
nah, you got this bit up the phone.
Hopefully I didn't break my phone.
No, you didn't. I saw. Caught it all on camera.
Oh, there's a Coke can in here.
Maybe when it's late, we do the ghost video. So we'll get a load of likes, huh? Wait. Ow. Wait. Do that again. Just step on it. Just like.
Woo!
There we go.
Yeah, but it collapsed.
I didn't really do much.
It's collapsed. So about this, guys. If it's boring you, just that we're nature kids. Well, not really. A nature kid does much, but I do go out sometimes, and I do touch grass. I'm no Fortnite kid that never touches grass and just stays indoors. Oh my god.
Fortnite is dead, though.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
How come I see tons of people playing it? Oh, this.
Because they're Fortnite kids.
Ah!
What happened?
It's taking my stick.
Damn.
Can someone save me from all this nonsense?
It's been 20 minutes of this video. Just whacking weeds out of the way. And thorns. Just 20 minutes of whacking weeds. And making weird noises.
Okay, don't go do something.
Yeah. Like what?
I don't know.
Should
We really need Kai here to tell us
Yeah.
what to do. But
Well, I'm the leader, so.
yeah.
Well, you can if you want. I don't really like being the leader.
You both can.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, what should I do with the phone?
Do you show yourself now?
I don't know. It's just scary.
Come on. Ready?
Later.
Okay.
I
Oh, I
promise.
think they just saw you.
Huh?
I think they just saw you. I'll just keep on the out end. So then they do it. Okay, so do you think I should climb up this rock? No tree. It's falling down.
You acquire that did that climbed this bit of the tree.
Both of us. I climbed it like a few days off. Today, hold it. I'll climb up and start jumping up and down. The rock thing. Where he lifts up his eyebrow.
It's about drive, it's about power.
So
I'm in armor.
yeah.
Oh. There goes that stick. Oh.
Well, you almost pulled it down.
There it goes.
There that goes.
We can't see your face. That looks kind of fun though. Wait, I'll go over here so I can get a better view. I'll try and get a better view. Wait, there we go. He's currently
Different stuff.
breaking wood.
You guys should definitely check out my famous channel.
What is your famous channel?
No, famous video.
Oh,
You know the one with 16,000 views
yeah.
and 406
Yeah.
likes and
But by the way,
112.
wait, never mind that actually.
112 dislikes. Dislikes. Hey everyone. So right now I'm on the high ground. Look how high I am. Ain't pretty high. I've been higher, but still, this is pretty high.
Imagine if you climb up to there.
I'm in my mum's car. Brum brum. Get out my car. Aww. Yeah, I made the video of two babies in a toy car. No, one baby in the toy car, and then the other baby was the mum. Then, get out my car, and then the baby went, aww. Don't need to get down.
If you want to.
29 minutes of torture.
Huh?
29 minutes of torture.
29.
Okay.
Imagine if we record for 69 minutes.
It's probably going to go into an hour.
Probably.
Wait, what do you mean 69 minutes? There's 60 minutes in an hour.
I know.
Okay, ready guys?
Like 1 hour then 9. 69. What's that? What was that for? Ah!
You okay?
I'm being
Don't you
tortured
take the
by
phone?
a fawn.
I'll take the phone.
Oh!
What?
My leg's probably bleeding.
Help. Nom 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 nom.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, we're gonna do a face reveal. But guys, if you've already seen his face, please tell us. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's in here? Oh,
Yeah, I've already been hit here.
oh no,
before.
so have I. Oh, rubbish.
Maybe we.
Wait, there's some stuff at the back, like trees, like tons of logs.
That's Kai's and Nan's house.
Yeah, we can enter.
Yeah.
Didn't enter.
If we make an entrance. Nah. Don't.
Okay, got to run.
Why?
Go catch me!
Where are you going?
It's really bright out here.
Let's try not to get our legs stung. Because I'm in shorts, you're in trousers.
Yeah, but I can still get stung. Limbo!
Down.
I've been down here before. I cleaned up down here. Wait. Nothing new. Wait, is that a footpath?
Don't know, but I'm going over here.
Do not leave me. Okay, you hold the camera then. I'm going down. I've probably quite seen something down here, like
What?
run through the bushes.
That's us.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
This goes into the other field.
Right, Riley, can you hold the camera a second? I need to.
Leak.
Huh?
Near go leak. Oh. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm adventuring. So, please wish me good luck. And if you like and subscribe, you'll have good luck for the rest of your life. At least that's what I think. That's what it is.
Ow! Right, I'm back.
Okay.
Riley?
Yeah.
When it's a bit later and it starts to get dark,
Yeah.
do you want to do a
Guys.
yeah, in here?
Yeah, sure. Oh, I'm climbing up. This is,
Jeez.
I think this is higher than I went up in that den.
Oh, my arms.
Woo! Look how high I am, dudes. This is made for boys and girls, though. Oh,
I am coming up.
careful.
Yeah, I probably am gonna get stuck up here.
Stay down there.
Alright. Do you want me to hold the camera for a bit? I don't know. Deforestation.
I won't call that it. Ah, I'm stuck. It's stuck on me. Help.
Just remove your foot from the stick because it owed
There, I'm free.
you. Imagine if you.
Do you want to show them your face just in case we go missing?
Why?
What about if we go missing? Yeah.
Why?
But you never know that. Well, they wouldn't be able to find us because, well, I wouldn't have been able to post a video unless the kidnapper did it. But
I'm just gonna stand here till you come back.
But I said if they like and subscribe, they might have good luck for the rest of their life.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
Well, that's just a myth. It's not true.
Oh, these are some weak branches.
I know, because they've been there like
Ages.
I don't know how many years. We might never know.
Hey everyone. So,
Coming down?
maybe. Oh, I think I can make a den in here.
I see someone with a little puggy. So cute. Puggy. I love pugs.
I might be getting a Siberian Husky for Christmas.
Really?
Maybe.
Pure luck. I love pugs. I wish I had one.
Maybe you can ask for one for Christmas instead of a phone.
Well, it's probably gonna be a no.
Huh? Or it's going to be new or something?
Huh?
What did you say?
It's probably going to be a no.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that? A mo?
Yeah.
What's that, bro? What's a mo?
What?
What's a mo?
A no?
A mo?
A mo?
Yeah, what did you say?
I said a no.
Oh.
I said it's probably gonna be a no.
I thought that you said something else. Look, I'm in here. Hey guys, I'm actually in here.
Did I record?
I don't know.
I'm over here, so you probably can't pop it to me.
Yeah. Oh,
Now,
I'm getting further in.
I'm being attacked by branches right now.
What, the ones that I'm throwing?
Huh?
Is it the ones that I'm throwing?
No, the ones on the of the tree.
I think I might fall. It's collapsing, I think. Is this a ladybug? Or...
Rest in peace, Riley. You will be missed.
Yeah, you can post a video.
Yeah. But how? How would you post?
No, you will. Of me going missing. In the trees.
Riley, what are you doing?
Take my phone. I think they just saw you.
Oh dear.
It's collapsing. It's okay, I've got it on my face. So, yeah.
Don't get my face in it, please.
I'm safe.
I am camera shy. Someone who?
Someone send back up.
Someone Riley Jones.
Okay.
I can take the phone.
Okay, and just let me turn the camera so they don't see you.
I swear if that's the right, never mind. I thought
Do
it was
not double tap the screen, otherwise it'll turn around.
alright. I will make sure not to do that.
You said that you'll make sure not to do that.
Yeah. I'll make sure not to do that.
But at first you said, I'll make sure